before you have your labioplasty procedure, there are certain things we want you to know about. The labioplasty is usually done in the office setting, so under local anesthesia. So we want you to come at least 1 hour prior to the procedure. We would ask you not to take any aspirin, ibuprofen, or any over-the-counter anti-inflammatory medication for at least 1 week prior to the procedure. Please do not use any herbal supplements or any over-the-counter products for about a week or so before the procedure. No smoking, as nicotine can decrease the blood supply to the surgical area and can cause problem in healing. No alcohol. Make sure that you either shower with the antibacterial soap, or you can even use something like a Hibiclens to clean the area prior to surgery. No jewelry, makeup, or any valuable, do not bring it to the office. Before you come in, you can just have like a light breakfast or liquids only, as this is done under local anesthesia, but still, because we use some sedation, some people can feel a little nauseous. So please do not have anything heavy to eat prior to coming for the procedure. If you are on any medications, regular medications, if you take daily, you can continue taking them after the procedure. Now, as I said, there's gonna be some sedation involved, so make sure you have a ride home. Do not plan on driving yourself back after the procedure. You will sign an informed consent form, and the physician will explain the procedure, the risk, the complications, and what to expect post-operatively before the procedure is done. So that is also done pre-operatively. We would give you prescriptions to bring with you when you come in, so get those prescriptions filled in before. One of the prescription will be the pain medication. So we will give you some strong pain medication which you may need for a few days after the procedure. So get that filled in before. So after the procedure, you can just go home and relax. Now, pain is usually controlled very well with Motrin, ibuprofen, and some of the pain medication we give you. But after the procedure, if you think that you're having a breakthrough pain, then Tylenol products are very safe to use in between for pain control for a day or two. It's very important that when you come for your procedure, you should wear something very comfortable. Loose-fitting clothes, and comfortable loose-fitting clothes is really, really important. So you are, so you are comfortable when you leave our office. Resting after the procedure is very important, because more you rest, the more blood supply is going to the area of the procedure, and you're gonna heal better. So get some help at home, at least for a few days after the procedure. After the procedure, make sure you're not walking too much and not doing any exertion, heavy lifting. When you are resting, we want you to be laying down so there's no fluid accumulation in the labial area, causing more discomfort. Everyone is very anxious and nervous before the procedure. I'm sure you're gonna have more questions about the procedure. So please call your doctor, call your surgeon, your gynecologist, get all the questions answered before you actually have the procedure.